This is the Johnson's house.
Nice. Fancy bed.
Sweetie, how to get up?
Nice soft bed.
Sweetie, how to get up?
Nice comfy bed.
Sweetie!
Ah! Dad, what are you doing in my bed?
Nothing. Just come down to breakfast, please.
I think he was trying to cut my bangs. They're so in that he says that they're tacky. Hey, Mom. Dad was trying to cut my bangs.
I believe he was just trying to wake you up, sweetie.
Yeah, right. And why is the cereal pink? It's flavored strawberry, sweetie. I hate strawberry! I think I'm gonna leave and eat my cake somewhere else.
Sweetie, you need something better than cake. Try some of my guacamole for a change.
Guacamole? Ew!